How to reinstall Windows 11 without losing its data. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to reinstall your Windows but do not want to lose any of the data, here is a quick fix to do it. So for this, you have to reset your Windows, but before that, you have to keep the backup, which is keep all the files. Now go to the search bar and search for reset this PC. Once this is done, you can reach to the recovery section. Now tap on reset button. From the two options, select the first one, which is keep my files. After this, you have to select how you'd like to reinstall the Windows. Either it could be cloud download or the local reinstall. So once you have selected your options, and then you can click on the second option and go to next. After that, once the installation or the reset is completed, you will see that the data has not been lost. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.